All right, but that's not weird enough. We're going weirder for the very last story of the day. Grainy footage of something moving in China's Yangtze River has been tagged as evidence of the nation's Loch Ness monster, sending ripples through Chinese social media. You see how I changed my voice there, Will?
Well, you got me.
Yeah, now
You got me hooked.
Yeah, the footage goes viral. And well, Kirk's skeptical. Of course, I was as well. You can't click there. You're just going to get Trump. I don't even think this is... the video you're looking at is not even related.
Is this the one?
In fact, for me to get the video, I had to go to Weibo, to the original location, and you may want to head over there, actually.
What's the title?
Well, I can't tell all these characters here. Why don't you do... If you go to the original article and click on the BBC report. Oh, you're on the BBC report. Okay, within there, you're going to find a link. If you click on... It has 6 million views, this one. So this one's far more viral here. Is there a Weibo link for you there? Come on, how did I get it? I've got it on my screen here, Will. What kind of an operation you running over there? Pair Video was whoever uploaded it. Anyhow, he's going to get the clip in a second. I'm going to give you a little backstory here, all right? An object spotted in a river, the river, like the big dog river of China. Will's got it. And I love this right now. Okay, we're just going to show the clip, and then I'm going to talk to Will for a second.
Okay.
Just show the clip. Just do like some opacity on it. Okay. Look at the video, Will, here. Okay. Okay, you got it. Will, you see this? Okay, pause. Okay, pause. Pause. What are you looking at? What are you looking at in that video?
I see an alligator. I don't see a Loch Ness.
You see an alligator? You see an alligator in China?
Yeah.
I don't feel like that.
There's alligators.
I don't feel like that's a thing that happens. I don't know, somebody's pet alligator? Okay, keep playing it.
Just in,
okay, keep playing it for a second.
I mean, I don't know the size.
There
It
you
does
go.
look pretty big, though.
Bigger than an alligator?
Pretty big.
Bigger than an alligator. Yeah, go back to the zoom out. Just roll back on this clip just a tiny bit. And you'll see it in relationship to the shoreline. The scale of it. Right there. See? So, like, those are cars. That's the thing. Okay, pause it again, Will. What is it?
It could... I don't know. I think it's still an alligator.
It's still an alligator.
Alligators are big, man.
To you, it will always be an alligator.
Well, I mean...
Well, anyway, the clip goes viral, 6 million views. It is not a Loch Ness monster, not an alligator. Apparently, I mean, at first people started to say, oh, it's some sort of a water snake. Then people said it's the giant salamander, the giant Chinese salamander. Have you ever? It's like some enormous salamander that's endangered. And then the far more boring explanation, some black cloth.
So
rubber
did they
object.
find out what it was?
Apparently they extracted it. There's a picture of it on the rocks in the BBC article. I don't know. Maybe it's a cover-up, Will. Who knows what to believe?
Yeah.
But the people were watching. I'm telling you, if that's just like some like rubber industrial waste or something, it's moving like a Loch Ness monster. It's moving kind of nice. And it's got some steam on it. It doesn't look like it's just the water propelling it. It's almost like something's pulling it in the distance. I don't know.
Yeah,
Maybe
you're right.
It could be a prank. It could be a prank as well. Who really knows? But you can go watch the clip. You come to your own conclusion. But everyone's disputing it, obviously, as the internet would, coming up with their various explanations for what exactly happened. Nonetheless, trending in China, viral, and squarely in the weird zone, which is important to us.
Oh, yeah.
It's mostly important to Willie Doo. It's where he lives his life. It's where he spends his time. And it's where he's happy to be, ladies and gentlemen. And this is where I'm happy to be, and I hope you're happy to be here as well. It's another episode of Lou Later, and Kirk can cut it.